Welcome to Portable Modular Railroads. In the previous video, I showed you how to drill holes and bolt your wooden modules together. In this video, I'll be installing the layers of pink foam board for the Subroadbed. In traditional model railroading, your first layer is track, or your rails, then the roadbed, which can be cork or wood or plastic in my case. Then you have a subroadbed. Many are using the pink foam board like I am. Then you have your benchwork below the subroadbed. In my case, these are the wooden modules. I will use the pink foam board to create elevation and white foam board to form the scenery layer. I lay out my squares of pink foam board over the modules and line them up. I may turn a few around to make sure that they fit correctly. Then I will place my track exactly as I want for my layout. Of course, you need to have a plan. I run trains on it to test it out. I make a guide of 2 centimeters and trace around my track. I do this slowly. Then I remove my track. If you think you might have long delays or maybe move, I suggest you make a note of the order of your tracks. I use pink foam board to create elevations above the first layer, which is my sub-roadbed. Tunnels use 3 layers in all. I start to cut out my sections with the foam cutter. Once all the sections of the second layer of pink foam board are cut, I number them according to their modules. A big wind or a big dog can quickly put it all to the floor. I use liquid nails to glue layer 1 and 2 together. I do not glue anything to the wooden modules. Some of this video is a 10 times time lapse, so this process will take a while. I'm making sure that the 2 layers line up, and then I press down. I apply some weight and I let this dry overnight. Notice that modules 5 through 8 only have 1 layer. Levels 1 through 4 have 2. I place a 3rd layer on modules 1 and 2 and I clamp them together for cutting the tunnel. I cut these small sections at a time so that I can see. I'm looking down into the tunnel to make sure I cut it correctly. You might figure out a better way of doing this. Once your 3rd layer is cut, caulk and apply weight and let it dry. In the next video, I'll be adding the scenery layer, which is white foam board. I'm going to add some mountains above my tunnel. So thanks for watching Portable Modular Railroads. We'll see you in the next time.